up, ladies and gentlemen? Day number 15 of Demolition. Now, they got all that stuff in that building over there, like all the old drywall they ripped down with that bulldozer. And they're removing all the drywall and stuff first before they start tearing it down. Then after they start doing that, removing that stuff, then they'll start wrecking the rest of the building. They're just in there with that big bulldozer just ripping stuff down. You got it all in a big car. They just had a dump truck pulled away just a few minutes ago full of that stuff. I wish I could zoom in with this camera. I just don't know how to do that yet. But that's pretty cool, man. They're getting closer and closer to knocking this building down. They got all that scrap metal right there in front of me. They're not doing nothing with that bulldozer today. They're sitting there just walking around the property, picking certain stuff up, putting everything in its own piles and stuff. There's a lot of work that goes into like tearing down a building this size. Because you got to remember, everything that is in the building is all recyclable. Metal, drywall, all that stuff. Copper. The metal sheets on the roof that you put on top of these big buildings, that's all recyclable. That all gets taken to the metal company and melted down. Aluminum, even these big air conditioner units in front of me, they're going to recycle those too, and probably break them down, take out the compressors, take all that good stuff out and make new ones, rebuild them, or melt it all down and make new ones. That's what I want to do. I want to get my heavy commitment license to drive these. Try to get myself a job with a company like this. I wouldn't mind doing this kind of work. Yeah, right now they're waiting for another dump truck to come in so they can fill up. After they get this building tore down and all this stuff removed, they'll start digging for the new building that's going to be going here. Not new building, new buildings. Right here, in this spot right here is going to be the movie theater. That spot all the way over there, where that guy is all the way out there, that's going to be LA Fitness. And over here somewhere, that's going to be the chicken place and a sit-down restaurant. It's going to be a nice chill spot. I give these guys a lot of props, man. They're doing a good job. If I was working with these guys, I'd be like, hey guys, you know what, since we're doing a hell of a job, let's go out tonight and have a beer. Go out and celebrate the work that they do. I say probably by next month or the month after, this whole building to be down. They're just waiting for that one place to move out. Hopefully by the end of this month they're out. If not, that's going to cut them back a lot farther than what they are. Man, when you pull up over here, when you're sitting, you can smell all that stuff from the building. It smells nasty. Oh, it looks like it's beginning to snow now. Oh, we got a real bad snowstorm coming in tonight, guys. Several inches of snow we're going to get. And I got to work all the way in Naperville. It's going to be a heck of a ride home tonight. Yeah, I keep my truck in all-wheel drive and just take my time coming home. I gotta be safe. And maybe one day I'll be driving one of these bulldozers and maybe be able to get you guys some good footage of tearing down stuff. That'd be pretty cool. I love making these videos for you guys, man. It's a lot of fun making these videos. A lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy them too. And coming up pretty soon, I'll be putting my speakers back in my truck when it gets nicer. I'm gonna order a speaker and the box coming up next month. But I'm gonna have to wait till it's warmer out to install it, cause I got no garage, so that's the problem. Cause heck no, I'm not doing it when it's like 31 degrees out. It's too cold. Yeah, right now they're just taking it easy, probably waiting for the next dump truck so they can start removing some of this stuff again. Yeah, that's going to be a pretty big movie theater, 13 screens. Wow. I really hope that the people of Westmont, I really hope they use this movie theater and all these businesses around here so they don't go out of business, because that's what happens. If people don't use the stuff that you put in for them, it'll go out of business because they won't make money. This is going to be a good chill spot, I'm telling you. A good spot to come and meet people and hang out, see movies. Take your family out to dinner, sit down and eat. And there's going to be a nice big gym over here too, so hey, for the New Year's, if you're looking to lose weight when this place comes, it'll be a good place. LA Fitness is a good gym. Never had a membership to LA Fitness, but I heard from a lot of people that their gym is real good. And with the size of this gym, I think they're going to have an indoor pool, so that'd be pretty cool. I'm just real happy they're going to put this spot to good use. It's going to be nice for Westmont. They're putting up a lot of new places in Westmont, trying to make the town come up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you guys take it easy. Have a great day. Remember, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Bye, guys.